We'll guide you through how to compare Zoom Scheduler versus Calendly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoom website. Log into your account. Once you're in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and navigate to the meeting section. Here, you can see the Zoom Scheduler, which allows you to schedule, edit, and start meetings. You can add participants directly and integrate your calendar to avoid conflicts. Now, head over to the Calendly website and sign into your account. In Calendly, you can create different event types, each with its own settings for availability and duration. You can share these events with a link, allowing others to book time with you based on your set availability. The key difference is that the Zoom Scheduler is primarily focused on video meetings and integrates directly with Zoom for seamless scheduling, while Calendly offers broader scheduling flexibility, including various meeting types and third-party integrations. Both tools offer integration with Google Calendar and Outlook, but Calendly stands out with its customizable workflows and ability to collect payments for appointments. If you're heavily using Zoom for video meetings, the Zoom Scheduler might be more convenient. However, if you need more flexibility with meeting types and scheduling automation, Calendly could be the better choice. Think about your specific needs and which service aligns with your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.